morning, children. In previous class, we completed up to tilt of the axis. And next continuation. Already I said the North Pole and South Pole means the polar regions experiencing 6 months summer and 6 months winter seasons. Already I said. See here, at the North Pole there is one ocean. Which ocean? That is Arctic Ocean, which is freezing cold nearly 6 months in the time of winter. So this Arctic Ocean also known as frozen ocean. So nearly 6 months the Arctic Ocean is covered with ice. So we call it frozen ocean. Next, at the time the soil becomes hard rock because the roots do not penetrate into the soil. So the trees also not grow in that area. But after 6 months, the North Pole constantly facing the sun. At the time we can see the sun even at midnight also. For example, Norway. Which country we called the land of the midnight sun? What is that? That is Norway. So in the Norway we can see the sun at the midnight also. And in the time of summer or when the sun appears, then only the snow melts. So at that time small plants are grow. For example, lichens and mosses or small bushes also grow in that area. Means in a North Pole. Next, temperate zones. Next topic, temperate zones. We have mainly 3 types of temperate zones are there. First one, torrid zone, and second one, temperate zone, and third one, frigid zone. Like that we have mainly 3 temperate zones are there. What is this? This is equator, and this is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Here, this is torrid zone. Torrid zone, where it is located? Between Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. This torrid zone always receiving the direct rays of the sun, so their climate is very hot. And next one, temperate zone. Temperate zone located between Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Cancer, that is above the equator, and below the equator also we have temperate zone. It is located between Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. Here the climate is moderate because it receives little slanting rays of the sun. So the climate is moderate. Moderate means it is very hot now, very cold. That means very pleasant climate we can find here. And next, this is frigid zone. Frigid zone located between North Pole and Arctic Circle in northern hemisphere, and in southern hemisphere it is located between Antarctic Circle and South Pole. This is the frigid zone. Frigid zone climate is always cold because it receives more slanting rays of the sun. So here the climate is very cold. Okay, next, this is the map of the world. Here there are 7 continents. What are they? North America, South America, and Europe, Asia, and Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Here Asia is the largest continent, and Australia is the smallest continent. And what is this? This is equator. Here equator, how many degrees? 0 degrees. Equator divides the earth into 2 equal halves or 2 equal parts, and above the equator part we called northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere located between North Pole and equator, and below the part we called southern hemisphere. It is located between equator and South Pole. Here some parts of the is entirely lie in northern hemisphere, and Australia and Antarctica entirely lie in southern hemisphere. And next, what is this? This is equator, already we know. Here the equator passes through the South America and Africa. And what is this? This is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer passes through the North America and Africa and Asia. And this is Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn passes through the South America and Africa and Australia. Okay, next zones. We have mainly three types of zones. Already I said. What are they? Three types of temperate zones we have. First one torrid zone, and second one temperate zone, and third one frigid zones. Now we will see their climates also. Torrid zone. Torrid zone is also called hottest zone because it always receiving the direct rays of the sun. Torrid zone located between Tropic of Cancer to the Tropic of Capricorn. This middle part. Torrid zone located between Tropic of Cancer to the Tropic of Capricorn. Here, that means the above the equator and below the equator, this part always getting direct rays of the sun. So here the climate is hottest. And next, temperate zone. Temperate zone is located between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer. So here to here. Here the climate is moderate climate because the temperate zone receives the slanting rays of the sun. So here the climate is moderate. Means it is very hot, not very cold. That means we can find here very pleasant climate. And same like that here also. South side also there is temperate zone. It is located between Tropic of Capricorn to the Antarctic Circle. Here also same like that, the climate is moderate. It is very hot, not very cold. That means the climate is very pleasant here. So these countries experiencing moderate climate. In the North Pole we have Arctic Ocean, and in the South Pole we have Antarctic Ocean. These two oceans always covered with the snow because they are always receiving the slanting rays of the sun. So these both oceans always covered with the snow. And who are living in the torrid zone, they are getting very hottest climate. And because they are always receiving the direct rays of the sun, so they are getting very hottest climate. And who are living in temperate zones, they are getting moderate climate. Means it is very hot, not very cold. That means they are getting very pleasant climate. And next, who are living in the frigid zones, they are getting very coldest climate because they are always receiving the slanting rays of the sun. Okay, shall I ask some of the questions? Did you find any continent is entirely to the north of the equator? See here, North America and Europe and Asia is like these three continents entirely located at the north of the equator. And next, did you find any continent is entirely to the south of the equator? For example, Australia and Antarctica is both are entirely located in the south of the equator. And next, here one latitude, it is passes through the middle of India. Which latitude? That is Tropic of Cancer. Here the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. Okay, children, up to here the third lesson completed. You have